Welcome back to Toys and Play, and today I'm going to be showing you the Barbie Skipper Playground. So first I'm going to be showing you the two dolls that come with the set. So obviously Skipper herself comes. She has a nice top that says Malibu and this like army, and she has this camouflage skirt. She also has this nice white shoes with some laces. And then the smaller doll that comes with it, she has a nice butterfly dress and she has some white shoes. And she also comes with this blue bottle. Now I'm going to be showing you the sand pit. So it comes with a turtle shape cutter. It also comes with a starfish cutter. And it also comes with this bucket, a purple spade, and also this blue bigger bucket. Another thing is that it also comes with this sand box. So it's like kinetic sand. So you have to take it out and you put it in the sand pit, like that. So now I'm gonna show you how to like make the molds. So you just need to put a bit of sand inside and then put it between the sand, and there, a turtle. I'm also going to be making a sandcastle. You can just smooth it out with this. And voila! We have a nice sandcastle with all these nice little details. You can also put it in this bucket. So just fill it up. And also there's this nice rope to climb up to get to this level. And another cool thing is that there's a tic-tac-toe game. So we have the O's and X's. And then over here there's a pink railing so then the children don't fall. And there is some triangles so you can just move them around. And then if you come over to this side, there's a nice pink slide with some clouds on it. And then if you go down, there's something really nice here. It's so you can pretend you're in a car. So you can just move this around, you can rotate it, and the children can pretend they're in the car. And then here's a nice swing. So it has this plastic grip so the dolls won't fall off the swing. I can push. So guys, this is actually a really fun toy, especially the sand part, because you can make like all these different sand shapes and it's just like a nice beach feeling. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have this toy, really enjoy it because it's really fun. And make sure you guys like, comment and share. Bye!